stroke and keep your mouth shut. Hey! You don't have to, you can shuffle. Paddle! Paddle, paddle, paddle! Hey! Everything else from now on is a... Oh, hey! Excellent! Well done, everybody! Spot on! We'll have a discussion whether we go and do it again. You went at a bit of an angle, but as I say, at this level it doesn't really matter. It's just a bit more pulling in right near the wall there, so you're better off somewhere in the middle. You see how even if you're dead straight, what you have to be aware of is because it's so wide, if you end up side on, keep it nice and straight. Come on. Keep it nice and straight, Megan. Just let the water take you down and paddle into where James is when you can. Hey, up. Get on the front of the boat. Get my hand. Hips first. Hips first. Let go of the bottom. Hips first. Hips first. You're out. Stand up then. Alright, come hold on to my boat. Keep hold of my boat. You're alright. You're not injured. Leave your boat alone. You should be able to stand up there just to get the... Yeah? Just be careful, it's a bit sharp. Alright? You didn't panic, no panic. Somebody sort the boat out. Alright? What's your name? Where do you come from? Come much closer to me, much closer to me. Yep. Whoa! Keep good balance. Right, here we go. Let's get you over on the side. Put your feet on the bottom. Okay. We've got the boat out there, get it emptied properly. Aim for me, Anna, aim for me. If you go too far down, it'll take you down the next little drop. Paddle, 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 harder, harder, harder. So, follow James down straight through the middle. Well, actually, follow the flow, the water will take you. Whoa! Hurry up. Shout. You have to shoot over these rocks a bit. You see how shallow it is now, even if you come out. You alright? You damaged? Good. I presume the rock just... little bit. Straight down the middle. And then paddle into this eddy. Megan. Don't go too far down, Liam, because you'll not get back up. I'll just call him Liam. Niall. Niall, Liam. Niall, Liam. Don't forget, once you get to the bottom, keep paddling. Keep paddling, keep paddling. Paddle over there and don't stop paddling. Don't stop paddling. Aiming up there. Well done. Keep paddling, paddling over this way. Paddle, paddle, paddle. You're crossing the eddy line now, so paddle, paddle, paddle. Bob on, over into the eddy there. Spot on. Paddle to me, aim towards me, don't stop paddling. Do not stop paddling. Spot on. Excellent, excellent. Paddle across this eddy line over here, Paul. Keep paddling, you've stopped paddling right on the eddy line. Oh. It's a really boily eddy line. Paddle across the eddy line. Keep paddling across that eddy line. John, keep paddling across that eddy line. Yeah. I was going to film them coming down, but so, you're heading that way. As soon as you drop, paddle, paddle, paddle across that side. It will. I'm looking forward to it. Straight down the middle. And you're paddling across to that side as soon as you go over the drop. Paddle over that side. Nice and hard. Paddle, paddle, paddle. Paddle across into that eddy. Well done.